Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I don't think I have a good voice. I just landed and it feels so very good. Let's do it. Look at the coffee. Look at it. So good. I cannot do it, but this is so very good. Oh my goodness. Okay, hello dear. I have no voice. It's almost 24 hours waiting, going. Anyway, I am home. I am so happy, so happy, so very happy. Let me have this cup of coffee and then I will do a backyard report. It's beautiful there. Oh, so good. This is heavenly. No place has coffee as good as home. Okay, let's go. Okay, so here is our backyard. The green bean, look at it. I can eat green bean at least today. I do not have, I just came back, do not have vegetable. I can eat cherry tomato and big tomato and yellow cherry tomato. What else? We have courgette, not yet so good. And we have black little tomato. They are very delicious. Small cherry tomato. And this one is the best. This is the best. This is so sweet and so delicious. Unbelievable. Blackberry is coming. And lime and passion fruit. And lemon and pomelo and plum. I don't think we have much plum. I already harvested the plum. And apple and pear. Oh, the pear is dead. What is going on? The pear. It's good to be back home, right? I am so very happy. So good to be back home. See you there. I will need to do some cooking to catch up the order and prepare to go back to work Monday. Oh, bye bye, friends. See you soon.